Hello! Welcome to this Honors 110 video on how to search with ProQuest Central. In this tutorial, we will cover how to access, search, and use the key features in ProQuest Central. In order to access the database ProQuest Central, start at the Mason Library's homepage. Select the blue Databases button. Either browse alphabetically for ProQuest Central or use the search box. Select ProQuest Central. You should be prompted to sign in with the same NetID and password that you use for Blackboard. If you do not see the login screen, sign into your Mason Library account using the link on the library's homepage. To demonstrate ProQuest Central, we will explore the topic of wildcat conservation efforts. Using the main search bar on the homepage, search for the terms wildcats and environmental science. Remember to be clear with your terms, as spelling matters and can change the meaning of your search. Wildcats without the space is a specific breed of cat and won't return results for general wildcats. After doing this search, we get tens of thousands of results. We need to narrow this down. ProQuest Central has many features and filters that can help you find the best results for your individual research. While researching this topic, we decided that we only want to view scholarly sources, which means that we don't need to see magazines, newspapers, and other types of sources in our search results. To limit your results to only scholarly sources, select the Scholarly Journals filter on the left side of the screen. Even by limiting to only scholarly sources, we still have too many results. Something else that is important to consider is the timeliness of these sources. For a current issue or a rapidly developing topic, we would want our sources to be newer. Fortunately, ProQuest Central gives you the ability to filter by publication date. For our example, we only want articles published between 2000 and present day. At this point, we still have not narrowed down our search enough. For our example, we are focused specifically on conservation efforts. Another option that can help us find these results is the subject filter. When we select the More button, we can access a variety of optional subject categories. We're going to filter by wildlife conservation. Even after these filters are applied, we still have too many results and haven't seen anything we want to use in our research. So what now? Filters help us sort out results that aren't relevant to our search, but if we chose the wrong search terms to start with, narrowing our search down won't help us. Sometimes we need to go back and try out new keywords. This doesn't have to be a shot in the dark. We can use the existing research to help us. As you browse research related to your topic, make note of the different ways authors are referring to the subject. A helpful tip: write down different keywords and search combinations you use to know what is and is not working for your search. In our example, after exploring some of the results we received from our first search, we realized that experts also refer to wildcats as wild felids. Another thing we noticed is that our search included results that use environmental and science independently. We're more interested in these words as a phrase, so we can put this in quotes to tell the database to return these words to us as a pair. This gives us both more specific results, as well as a manageable number of sources to explore. When you locate an article that you are interested in, skim the abstract, and if you would like to use this source, save it to your Zotero library. We strongly suggest doing this to help you keep track of your sources. Refer back to the first library module for more information about Zotero. Thanks for watching this video. For any further questions, go to the Ask a Librarian tab from the library's homepage.